To fix the touch screen not working on your iPhone, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, this is a simple and effective guide on how to fix it. So the first thing which you need to do is that you just need to simply restart your phone. So if you are using iPhone 8 to 15, then you just need to press the volume down button and power button at the same time, and you'll be taken into this space. So this is the place from where you can simply restart your phone. So you just need to simply slide to power off your phone, and you'll be able to restart the phone. So after restarting the phone, the touchscreen issue may be gone, or it may also not be gone. So if that is, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply remove the screen protector if you have kept. So some screen protector may also be the issue that you are not being able to touch the screen properly. So simply remove it and try using your screen. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open settings on your iPhone, and under settings you will see the various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all of. So here you will see the option of general. So click on it, and from here you just need to click on the option of software update, which you will see on the screen. So click on it and check if there is any kind of update available on the device. So if there is any kind of update available on the device, then make sure that it is to the latest version available, and after doing it, you'll be able to fix the issue of touchscreen not working on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.